In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube shortcut on Chrome. This is a very simple and useful trick if you want faster access to YouTube right from your browser or desktop area, depending on how Chrome handles the shortcut on your device. Instead of typing the website address every time, you can create a shortcut once and open it much more quickly whenever you need it. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and ready before moving to the next part. If you already use Chrome regularly, this process should only take a minute. Once Chrome is open, look for the option to add a shortcut. Depending on your version of Chrome or your screen layout, this may appear in a slightly different place, but the goal here is to create a new shortcut that links directly to a website you use often. Go ahead and click the Add Shortcut option when you see it. After that, Chrome will ask you to enter a name for the shortcut. This is the label that will appear so you can recognize it easily later. In this example, type YouTube as the name. Using a clear and simple name is helpful, especially if you plan to create more shortcuts for other websites in the future. Next, you'll need to paste the YouTube link into the website address field. Make sure you paste the correct YouTube homepage link so the shortcut opens the right page. This step connects the shortcut name to the actual website, which is what allows Chrome to launch it quickly. Before finishing, take a quick moment to review what you entered. Check that the name says YouTube and that the link is pasted correctly. Even a small typing mistake in the web address can keep the shortcut from opening properly, so it's worth double-checking before you continue. Once everything looks good, the shortcut is ready to use. From now on, you can simply click that shortcut whenever you want to open YouTube without manually searching for it or typing the address again. It's a small setup step, but it can save time and make your browsing feel more organized. That's all there is to it. You've now created a YouTube shortcut in Chrome in just a few easy steps. If you want, you can use the same method to create shortcuts for other websites you visit often as well.